to be awarded by Black and Lensman. And our Mr. Photogenic is
7.
Is Sunny Mana. Ang baby boy.
Yeah, for the
To be awarded by Black and Lensman. Yung parang parcel.
Correct. Siyempre sponsored by Shopee.
Yes, and our next special award is ang Drex Photography Choice Award is Sunny Mana.
Another one for Sunny Mana.
Again.
Photography Choice Award. Drex Photography Choice Award.
And our last special award for this run is ang ating Yuki Photography Choice Award is Hans Vergara.
Hans Vergara, congratulations! Siyempre makatanggap kayo ng prize at ng pang-ibabaw na picture. Pinaka-importante din, yung picture na pang-ibabaw. And this set naman po sa ating set of award, ang ating Mr. Body Beautiful, na kung saan tatlong ating winners, at ang ating, maybe call Mr. Gerald to be, Mr. Gerald, to award our Mr. Body Beautiful.
Yung ating Body Beautiful, sila po yung may beautiful na body.
Galing no, nakakatawa. Ang hirap no?
Wala na siya yung parang nakakatawa.
At tatlo ang ating ina-award for this one. Our first winner to be awarded by Mr. Gerald, our first winner is Choco Castro. Talaga naman, oo naman. Kita-kita niyo naman yung abs, di ba?
Gwapo ni Sir Gerald. Parang crush niya ako.
Saka feeling ko may abs din si Sir Gerald.
Oo.
And our next winner is to be awarded by Sir Juan Pablo Isip. Our next Mr. Body Beautiful winner is none other than Man of Steel number 3, Hans Vergara.
Siya number 3. Number 15 siya.
Number 15. Oh, sorry. Sabi ko na mali rin eh, pinig ko din talaga. Buti na lang nabanggit ko yung pangalan. And still, Sir Juan Pablo, dyan na po kayo for another winner. And ito I see, Steve Marquez.
Our next award
Is ang ating Best in Catwalk to be awarded by our Mr. Laksa Legacy
2023 Kevin
Moreno.
C. Moreno.
And ang ating Best in Catwalk Award is none other than Steve Marquez, number 14. ay ang ating Mr. Gorgeous. At ang ating gorgeous is none other than unahin muna natin ang ating Mr. Face card.
Okay, ang ating Mr. Face card, we have two winners. Ang ating unang mag-award is ang ating Man of Steel 2024 first runner-up, Mr. Billy Yator. And our first Mr. Face card award is Choco Castro.
Number 10. Taray ni Billy, pa-award-award na lang. Iba din.
And next, Mr. Face Card Award to be awarded by Mr. J.B. Pasqua. Our next Mr. Face Card Award is Man of Steel candidate number 7, John Matthew Aclaracion.
In fairness sa reaction ng mga audience, talaga sabi nilang ka-serve. Face card naman talaga. Personals deserve. Our next award is yung ating Mr. Gorgeous. To be awarded by Mr. Juan Pablo Isip. At ang ating Mr. Gorgeous is none other than
Mr. Brian
Hans Fregala, number 15.
Guys, palakpakan naman natin ang ating Man of Steel 6th finalist, Other High Passionate. Congratulations sa inyong mga special award.
Correct. Congratulations, boys. And there's still more and more pa mamaya.